Something's behind us, guys. We got a trailer hooked up and we're gonna go pick up a toy. I might have the title of the video, but it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be really cool. So we got a little bit of a hop, skip, and a jump, literally just in the next town over. We're gonna go pick this thing up and show you guys what it is. Until then, I'm gonna concentrate on driving because there's a cop coming. Somebody's excited. We got a side-by-side. Woo! Yeah, let's unstrap it and we'll go play with it. Boy, don't fuck around.
Yeah. You're good. He's going around town. Oh, no, he's not.
This is gonna be expensive, I can tell. Oh boy. Yeah, let's work on that. So that last clip, it was like a couple days ago. We're gonna look at the RZR. I'm gonna pressure wash it, make sure everything works good, and we'll go from there. We're loading the trailer down. Heavy load. We got the UTV. What we're gonna do is take it to a local off-road park and see what it can do. So that should be fun. Something to do on a Sunday. Something so I know what to buy. All that good stuff. Boys, we're loaded. Just doing a light check real quick. Looks like we're good over there. But we're hitched up, we're going down the road, and I gotta say this thing rides so much better than the Fummins. Obviously, it's like 20 years newer. Nice and quiet, pulls strong, pulls good, stops good, right? Stops good. And we're on our way to Ottawa, Illinois. We're gonna stop for some lunch, or breakfast, I guess, and then we'll be on our way to the off-road park. So I'll check in if anything happens or any shenanigans unfold. But until then, I'll see you. We're doing a little shakedown run of the RZR, see what we need to fix, what we need to work on. So far, so good. We had the power steering brake, but you just reset it and I guess it goes. So we're just gonna keep riding around and see what we can do. We're back at the trailer. Trailer's buddy had a flat there on his RZR, so we're using the pump to pump it up. So far so good though. Nothing broke, nothing snapped. It's $15. Yeah, nothing looks snapped up. I'm probably gonna get a copyright strike on it. Really mean me. Alright guys, let's see what this thing's capable of. Alright, well, we gotta make sure it stays on 4 tires. That's number one. I gotta find a way to pull this thing up. It's an easy way to do it. You don't need jacks, just flip it over like that. You can work on it.
Oh no. Oh my goodness. My cheeks hurt from smiling. Oh yeah. No, it's not. Yeah.
Okay guys, we made it home. I'm not sure where this is going to land in the clip of everything, but I don't know if we filmed too much of what actually happened. So we decided to call it after that spill because I bent the trailing arm right there, kinked it. So it kinks out and down, so it threw off the steering geometry pretty good. So I looked online, you can get a new one for, I don't know, 300 bucks. But what I'm gonna do is I'm take it apart and I'm gonna press it straight, put it in hydraulic press and kick it out. We could have done that on the trail, but it's getting cold. It's like 40 degrees out right now and screw that. So until next time guys, I'm Midwest Moose and hope you liked my content. Comment, rate, subscribe, well just comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, stay safe, don't roll your RZR, and if you do, make sure you're wearing your helmet and a chest pad, because that's the worst injury I got. So I'll take that over a snapped arm or a busted head. So guys, be safe. Okay, love you.